What if the richest person in the room is the one you'd never notice? Not the guy stepping out of the Mercedes, but the one driving a scratched up 2012 Honda. I once met a man in a faded polo and worn out sneakers. Quiet, ordinary. He had just sold his company for $47 million. Meanwhile, another guy I knew with the Range Rover and Rolex was 3 months behind on his mortgage. That's reality. Wealth hides, debt performs. Today, here are 7 signs someone is secretly wealthy, the kind you'd never guess by looking. Sign 1. They drive old, paid off cars. A modest car doesn't mean someone is broke. It often means they invested the money instead of burning it on depreciation. Real wealth grows quietly, not loudly. Sign 2. They never seem rushed. Broke people sprint through life. Wealthy people move with calm intention. When you own your time, you don't panic through your day. Peace is a sign of control. Sign 3. They ask about prices. Not because they're cheap, but because they respect money. Pretenders act like cost doesn't matter. Wealthy people know every dollar has a job. Sign 4. They repeat the same outfits. A simple personal uniform protects their mental energy. Decision fatigue ruins productivity, and wealthy people guard their attention like an asset. Sign 5. They live in regular neighborhoods. The huge houses with luxury cars often belong to people drowning in payments. Actual millionaires choose comfort over status. Their wealth is in assets, not curb appeal. Sign 6. They're generous with people, strict with purchases. They'll tip big, help a friend, donate quietly, but refuse pointless luxury. Ego spending keeps people broke. Smart spending builds freedom. Sign 7. Their vacations are simple. While others finance Bali trips for Instagram, wealthy people recharge at cabins, lakes, or local spots. They travel for rest, not validation. Peace doesn't require debt. Here's the truth most people never learn. Wealth whispers, broke screams. The most ordinary-looking person in the room may be the one with the strongest financial foundation. So look around this week. Notice who isn't trying to impress you. They might be the real deal. If these signs made you think, comment "Undercover Millionaire" and hit subscribe. Stop trying to look rich. Start becoming rich.